Hello everyone, this is Melissa with Design by Ann with another quick tutorial on our candles. We've been producing candles now for over 2 years, and so I'm just going to share with you a little bit about our process and how we get started on this and how we produce our candles. So we've already melted about 15 ounces of soy wax. 100% soy wax which is what we use currently to produce our candles. To melt the candles, we had used a double boiler on a hot plate, which is right there with the water in it. We also used our thermometer and heated our soy wax to about 185 degrees. And so now it's sitting to cool right now before we do the actual pour. We've also prepared our candles, our cans, in 5-ounce tins. We were using a wick that's solid. The base, we used a glue gun to anchor it down. And so we're going to be pouring the soy wax in about 20 minutes so that it can solidify, and then we'll have some nice little candles. 1 ounce of scent will produce 3 5-ounce candles. So we're going to be using Ocean Breeze from Candle Science today for these lovely 3 little candles. And so we'll be back and show you the finished product. Thanks so much for watching.